Emma's wedding day. Wait, I feel like such a dad. I'm loving this.
I don't know
Okay.
how we sound because Brett might put music, but if not, hi.
Hey. Oh, Gracie's doing the Lord's work over here.
I
Ooh,
started driving through the hills
yeah.
to me to come and get you. No words convey the way it felt for me to finally hold you in my arms just long enough to know every word you're gonna say before you even think it. But somehow every joke you make is funnier each time around. Your laugh is such a perfect sound. These butterflies lived a million lives to say. I swear I've known you longer than forever and a day, forever and ever and a day, forever and a day. I bet we already knew our names before we met each other. I bet we've sailed the Milky Way, walked on the sun together. How could I forget those emerald eyes? They took me by surprise, but suddenly I missed your face. I knew that smile from miles away. I knew that I have loved you